The very core of the right procedures and an essential element in the industrial kitchen is the expertise in the cleaning and disinfecting process of a catering unit. Till today, a great quantity of water as well as detergents and disinfectants had been used to treat the kitchens, floors, counters and other surfaces, including different appliances and material. Cleaning and disinfecting were always carried out at the end of a production process. Today, the Sanivap steam cleaning and disinfecting method is a revolution which not only ensures proven efficacy of these tasks, but also an increase in productivity. This method is totally integrated in the HACCP quality control norms and is a major progress in both food safety and working conditions. Apart from the key advantages, the Sanivap method is also very flexible. It is easy to implement and can be integrated into the different production stages. Moreover, with this method, water is no longer sprayed on different appliances. This is usually a risk factor for a number of machines and increases the lifespan of the equipment. The Sanivap method is also eco-friendly. It fits into the framework of the basic principles for long-term development when it comes to water consumption and polluting discharges. Taking delivery of raw material needs special care. It is in fact the first link in the chain of food production. The deconditioning zones, tables and kitchen counters, scales, carts, even sinks and nail brushes are steam cleaned and disinfected. Storerooms, and especially the zones for storage of dry products, are particularly hard to clean. Steam is the ideal response to this problem. Cold stores are steam cleaned and disinfected. The shelves are often difficult to clean and disinfect. Steam guarantees a thorough and faultless result. Evaporators can also be periodically steam cleaned. This is to be carried out by the technical services. Door hinges and seals are also to be regularly steam cleaned and disinfected. Floors can be steam cleaned. This can potentially eliminate the risk of slippery floors. Vegetables and vegetable products are an important source of contamination. Steam can clean and disinfect all the material and appliances in contact with these products. Be it potato peelers, cutting appliances, salad spinners, all of these can be steam cleaned. Tins, boxes, sachets can also be steamed before opening. The current methods so far used a chemical disinfectant, but the use of this chemical solution had always carried a potential risk of cross-contamination. The steam method is also particularly adapted to laboratories where cold dishes and foodstuffs are prepared. Work counters are steam cleaned. The right procedure is to clean from the inside to the exterior of the surface. Surfaces directly in contact with the food products are rapidly disinfected and remain dry. Vertical surfaces, such as refrigerators, are steam cleaned daily. The Sanivap appliance offers the possibility to clean stainless steel surfaces in two different ways. One of these is a combination of the cleaning, disinfecting and vacuuming processes, which is swift and easy. For more in-depth cleaning, these may be followed by manually scraping the steam cleaned surface. In both cases, the steel surfaces are left spotless and shiny. Cutting and slicing appliances are dangerous and therefore complicated to clean. Steam cleaning guarantees good results. The appliance must be unplugged and the larger particles remaining in or on the machine removed. The appliance must then be steam cleaned and disinfected. The cutter must be treated vertically from the top to the bottom. Special attention must be paid to the difficult-to-reach zones in order to perfectly disinfect the tool. Other appliances, such as mixers and grinders, can also be similarly cleaned daily. A periodic renovation of the stainless steel surfaces may be carried out in order to eliminate even minute residues. For this, an additive added to the steam improves its detergent effect and brings a greater shine to the surface. The surface is brushed, the additive is sprayed on the surface, which is brushed a second time before the residues are vacuum cleaned. As in the case of the other surfaces, this technique can be carried out with or without the vacuuming. Steam cleaning and disinfecting in catering and culinary production is not only possible, it is also highly recommended. In fact, today, production utensils, cutting boards, knives, specific stainless steel containers can all be disinfected during the production process without any safety risks. This revolutionary technique offers a high level of control to all chefs who refuse to compromise on the issue of food safety. The kitchen is steam cleaned on a day-to-day basis. Extractors, cooking ranges are efficiently cleaned without problem. Spraying water on appliances in order to clean these is often the cause of a number of failures and breakdowns. The use of steam, of course, avoids this defect, and the lifespan of the kitchen appliances is increased. Filters of the kitchen extractors and grills and drains are easily and thoroughly cleaned and disinfected by steam. The Sanivap method is a versatile tool. Steam cleans and disinfects self-service counters, storage areas, curtains, glass cases, hot plates. All these can be cleaned and disinfected daily. In the restaurant rooms, tables and chairs are also thus cleaned. Even the unwanted chewing gums are swiftly removed. Windows and glass panels can also be periodically steam cleaned, as can the water fountains. Restaurant floors can be cleaned daily. The ergonomics of the SanVap brush makes cleaning of all surfaces simple and rapid. Cleaning and disinfecting techniques have greatly evolved with the Sanivap method, which is not only highly efficient and versatile, but also swift and eco-friendly.